What if I told you that the biggest reason most Americans stay broke isn't because they don't earn enough money, it's because they never learn how money actually works? Right now, millions of people across the United States are working harder than ever. They're putting in overtime, chasing promotions, and trying to save money whenever they can. But despite all that effort, many are still living paycheck to paycheck. Meanwhile, ordinary people are quietly building wealth every single day. They're not lottery winners, they're not Wall Street experts, and they're definitely not financial geniuses. They simply understand one thing: money should work for you, not the other way around. And in this complete beginner's guide, you're going to learn exactly how investing works in 2026, where to start, what mistakes to avoid, and how ordinary Americans are building long-term wealth even during uncertain economic times. So if you're a complete beginner with zero investing experience, stay until the end, because this information could completely change the way you think about money forever. Intro. Before we talk about stocks, ETFs, retirement accounts, or building a portfolio, we need to answer one important question. What exactly is investing? Investing means putting your money into assets that have the potential to grow in value over time. Instead of leaving all your money sitting in a bank account earning very little interest, investing allows your money to potentially generate more money. Think of investing like planting a tree. You don't plant a seed today and expect a giant tree tomorrow. You give it time, you water it consistently, and eventually it grows. That's exactly how investing works. The biggest mistake beginners make is expecting fast results. Real wealth is built through patience, consistency, and smart decisions over many years. And that's actually good news, because it means you don't need to be rich to get started. You just need to start. Section 1. Why investing matters in 2026. The financial world is changing rapidly. Artificial intelligence is transforming industries, technology continues to reshape the economy, and inflation continues to impact the purchasing power of everyday Americans. If your money is only sitting in a savings account, there's a good chance it's losing purchasing power over time. That's why investing has become more important than ever. The goal isn't to get rich overnight. The goal is to build financial security. The goal is to create freedom. The goal is to give yourself options in the future. And the earlier you start, the more powerful your results can become thanks to compound growth.